Hello everyone! Today, we're going to discuss a common pest that many of us face, termites. These tiny creatures can cause a lot of damage to your home and belongings, so it's important to know how to get rid of them effectively. First, let's understand what causes termites. They are insects that feed on the wood and cellulose content of their surroundings. This can include buildings, furniture, and even your garden plants. They create little tunnels in the wood, which weakens the structure and makes it susceptible to damage. To get rid of termites, there are several methods you can try. 1. Dye treatments. You can try using homemade remedies like neem oil, which is a natural insecticide. Mix equal parts neem oil, water, and lemon juice to create a paste, and apply it to the affected areas. However, consulting a professional before using any homemade solutions is always advisable. 2. Professional services. If you suspect that you have a termite infestation, it's best to leave it to the professionals. They have the necessary equipment and knowledge to identify the type of termites and provide the appropriate treatment. 3. Prevention. To prevent termite infestations, make sure your wood is sealed properly and never leave moisture behind. Install waterproofing systems and fix any damaged wood as soon as you notice it. 4. Call a pest control professional. If you have a severe infestation, it's time to call a pest control professional. They will use their expertise to provide a comprehensive treatment that will get rid of the termites and prevent them from returning. In conclusion, termites can be a pesky and destructive pest. However, with the right knowledge and tools, you can manage them effectively. Always consult a professional before trying any DIY treatments, and remember to take preventive measures to avoid further infestations. Happy bug hunting!